Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your Chromebook. Many Chromebooks offer support for Android applications directly through the Google Play Store, making it quite convenient. It's important to note that most models released after 2019 are compatible with Android apps. If you haven't already, you'll need to enable the Google Play Store within your Chromebook settings to get started. Once the Google Play Store is enabled, installing Brawl Stars is a straightforward process. Simply open the Play Store application on your Chromebook. Use the search bar at the top to find Brawl Stars. When you locate the game, click the Install button. The game will then download and automatically set up on your device, usually taking just a few minutes depending on your internet speed. To get the best experience, consider optimizing your gameplay. You can adjust the in-game graphics settings to match your Chromebook's capabilities for smoother performance. Many players find that using a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard offers significantly better control compared to the touchscreen or trackpad. Also, remember that Brawl Stars is an online game, so a stable and fast internet connection is crucial for uninterrupted and lag-free matches. Sometimes you might encounter minor issues, but don't worry, there are simple solutions. If Brawl Stars crashes, a quick restart of your Chromebook often resolves the problem. For persistent performance issues, try clearing the game's cache and data through your Chromebook's app settings. Finally, always ensure your Chrome OS and the Google Play Store are updated to their latest versions, as this helps maintain compatibility and overall stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.